Hi everyone, welcome to this week's weekly spelling words video. Week 10 this week. Gosh, I can't believe how many weeks we've been doing these for. Let's have a look what our rule is today. So this week's rule is when CH spells k, says K. Now it's one of the first sounds we learn, CH, and it normally says ch for chicken and chips. But sometimes it can say k. Have a look at the poster here. Chameleon, Christmas, school, cord. Lots of words. Let's have a look at the ones we're going to learn. We're going to learn scheme. The robber had a scheme to rob the bank. The robber had a crafty scheme to steal from the bank. Spelling 2 is echo. Echo. There was a loud echo when we made a noise in the cave. Echo. No words within words here. You've just got to know that it's not a K, it's a CH. Spelling 3 is character. We'd want to spell it with a K, but it's actually a CH. You must show good character through your behaviour. Spelling 4 is ache. Oh, this man looks like he's got terrible toothache. The ache in my leg is getting worse. It looks like H, but it's ache. We just have to remember. Spelling 5 is stomach. Looks like stomach, doesn't it? Stomach. The stomach is a major organ in our bodies. Stomach. And spelling 6 is a rather tricky long one. Technology. Technology. Technology is an important part of modern life. With our phones and our cameras and our laptops and our iPads. Very important part of our lives. We can use some phonics with this one. It looks like technology, but it's technology. The end of the words we can use our sounds for. Okay, are you ready? We've got to unjumble the spelling. Which of our k words is this one? Will you get it before me? Shout it out. Oh, the CH is at the beginning. So is it ch or is it k? That's right, it's k. Ka, ra. Have you got it yet? Well done. It's character. Great job if you got there before me. What's this one? Try and unjumble the spellings. You can pause the video if you want to have a go at home. Starts with S. St. Oh, have you got it yet? Stom. Stomach. Not stomach. Stomach. Great job if you got it quicker than me. Next one. Ooh, I can get this one quickly. It's only got 4 letters. Echo. Echo. Easy. We can do this. Who says spelling's hard? Ooh, what now? What's this one? Pause the video and have a go. Is it sk? No, sk. Well done. It's the word scheme. Bet you got there faster than me. Great job. What's this one? Oh, another one with just 4 letters. Starts with A. Well done if you got ache. Ache. I have a stomach ache. Oh, this is a long one. Can you unjumble these spellings? Pause the video and write it down. It starts with T. E. Is it tetch? Tetch? No, it's tech. Technology. Well done. Great job. Will you get 10 out of 10 this week in Friday's spelling test? I bet you will if you got there faster than me. Great job, everyone. See you soon.